Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can post a reel onto your account on Instagram. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my main page and you can start creating a reel in two ways. You can click on the plus at the bottom, select something from your gallery which you want to add, and then select the reel mode and you can add that as a reel. Or if you're on Instagram on pretty much any page, you can just swipe right and it'll open up your editor, which you can use to edit posts. Now it'll put you in the story originally or in the story mode, but you can just select reel mode at the bottom. And as you can see, you have a couple of options to do. Before you start recording, you can set up the audio, the effects, the green screen, the length, speed, the video layout, timer, and gesture control. And then you can either record it or you can select at the bottom left, you can select a video or image from your gallery which you want to upload as a reel. You can do it however you would like, but I'm just going to go ahead and record a small video just right over here. Once you've recorded it, you can click next. Here you can start editing other things such as the audio track, the video itself, closed captions, text, music, etc. If you click edit video, you'll get a very rudimentary but useful video editor where you can cut videos if you want to. Then click on next, and here you can edit the cover, write captions and hashtags, tag people, add a location, rename the audio, add an AI label, and select your audience. And once you're done with that, you can either save it as a draft or share it immediately. If you click share, it'll share it to your account immediately and then everybody will be able to view it. However, if you click on a draft, you can very easily return to, well, editing it before you actually post it. But that is pretty much all there is to it. It is really as easy as that, and there's really nothing else I would like to mention. So yeah, again, just swipe right, select reel, select a video from your library or gallery, or just record one from your Instagram app, and that is pretty much all. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.